Okay, so this is how I would use the tablet in the classroom. I've selected the grammar exercises on page 133, and I'm going to just demonstrate to the students what we're supposed to be looking at, so page 133. What I'd like you to do is work your way through this exercise on using future forms. And then I would disconnect from the tablet and from the projector and the speaker, and then take the tablet and give it to a student or a group of students. So here's a student here sitting at the desk. Here you go. Okay, have a go. So all of the students are working on the exercise, but individually or in groups. This group is going to be the tablet group. So the tablet group have a talk together, they discuss which answer they think is correct, and they select the correct answers, or the answers they think are correct. Maybe give them a time limit, and then the time limit's up, and you say, okay, stop, give me back the tablet. So students give you the tablet, you take it back, put it in the housing, reconnect it to projector, wait a few seconds, and it comes back up again. Now, as a group, I ask everybody to look at the answers that the tablet group have selected and compare it to yours. So I give you a few minutes, and then once they're ready, we go through the answers. Do you think this is correct? Do you think this one is correct? Check the answers that they think are correct, and then I can give them the feedback. So in order to check which answers are correct that have been marked here, what I would do is I open up the side tabs, and there is a tick button here which is check the answers. So I'm going to check that. And you may or not be able to see it quite clearly, but there are a number of ticks and crosses here on the right hand side to show which answers that they've selected are correct and which are not. So now, as a teacher, I would come back up and give them a moment to look at it and decide how close they were, which answers they think were correct. So then when I'm happy that they have thought about the right answers, I would probably reset the tablet, you pressing the reset button, which I'll show you, I've already showed you, and disconnect again. Give the tablet to a different group of students in a bit, ask them to do it one more time. This time they have a pretty good idea which the correct answers should be. Give them a very short time limit. This time everybody else is doing the same thing, making sure that their answers are now correct. Give it back to the teacher, and we can check the answers together one more time. The teacher would then show them the answers on the screen again when it pops up. When everybody's happy, do you think this is correct this time? We check it again, and hopefully all ticks down the side.